Go.
Hello, my name is Scott Millard. I am the contractor that's been doing the Trex Elevations drawings and material list for about the last 8 years. And I'm offering a new service. It's independent. I'm providing it. It's independent of Trex. And that is material use guidance for when you have your deck packs delivered on the site to help you with being efficient in your material cuts and using the right links for the right cuts. What I'm doing here is I'm creating if you order this service from me, what you're going to get is you're going to get a beam guide, okay, and these drawings are color coded. Color code keys are down here in the corner. The purple is the 20-foot, represents a 20-foot stock joist. Blue represents a 16-foot stock joist, and red represents a 12-foot stock joist. So these give you guidance as to which joist to cut which stock joist to cut your material out of to make sure that your materials are used correctly throughout the project. You have a beam drawing. These all contain measurements, okay? My world is the CAD world, and the CAD world unfortunately is flawless, perfect, and I know when you get out in the field, things sometimes they come out a little bit different. So you order these drawings from me. When you get them, I want to make sure that you're site verifying, especially like your pier positions and these cuts down here, in case you get a post a little bit different than what I've put on the drawing, so that you can make an adjustment and cut these things right when you do that. These are delivered in PDF form via email, and you simply run them down to your nearest Kinko's, Staples, Office Depot, whatever. Let them know you need color prints, and they'll be printed. I'll create these in 3 different sizes. Basically, I'm taking the drawing that you have, the existing Trex Elevations drawing, which is this. You received this with a material list, and I'm moving this to a larger format so that it's a lot clearer and easier to read. It'll either be on a C size, a D size, or E size sheets, and those are marked down here in the corner, so you know what to tell your printer to print them at. Again, you want color plots, and they're created from your existing Trex drawing. Now, when you go onto the website centennial-cad.com, on the home page, you're going to see a Cut-Right logo. To go to the Cut-Right page, just click on that. It'll take you to the Cut-Right page. When you're ready to order these drawings, if you're going to order them for your project, and these drawings are primarily for the builder that has a deck with some complex geometry, or just a very large project where you don't want to cut the wrong materials for the wrong things. So it's primarily for those types of jobs. Square, rectangular decks, pretty straightforward. Most of the time people can figure those out, but this is designed to help with the bigger projects or the unique geometry type projects. And so anyway, you go to the website. If you want to order these, you go to the Cut-Right page. And on the Cut-Right page, you're probably there already because you're watching this video. Anyway, down in the lower left-hand corner, if you want to order the drawing, there is a Order Custom Drawing button. Just click on that. It's going to take you to an online form. Looks like this, okay? And you're going to take your existing drawing that you had done for your free material list through Trex, okay? And make sure you fill out the whole form, okay? All the information. The information I'm going to need to know what drawing to work with is, it asks for a drawing number here. You're going to find that right here in the title block, this 2017-, and what this is the year the drawing was done and the number of the project, okay? So this is the drawing number right here. Okay, that goes here. What's very important is that I know what version of the drawing that you want me to work from, okay? Because some of you have had these drawings revised. You sent it initially and wanted something changed, and it was delivered back to you with that change, and there's a revision number right here on the drawing, okay? And it's going to be IR, A, B, C, whatever. Let me know what that is so I know which version you want me to base these drawings on. And then the last thing you're going to need off this drawing is the square footage. You're always going to find that down here in the lower left hand corner of the drawing. and it goes right here. You enter that, it automatically calcs the cost of the service, and then of course you continue on through the process and pay for the service. I get your information, I pull the drawing up, and I move your drawings to the bigger format. I color code them. These drawings are also, I think I mentioned, they're dimensioned. Double check everything on the work site. You have dimensions on your joist drawing also. There's a joist and a beam drawing. And so there are also measurements telling you where to position these joists. For instance, this would be an example of a deck where you may want to use this service because of the curve, being able to get this curve right. And each joist is dimensioned down to a 1/16 of an inch for that purpose. Wherever you see, for instance, here I've got blue for 16 foot, take from 16 foot raw stock. Well, these aren't 16 feet long. This simply means make sure that you cut those out of a 16 footer, because that's how the material was figured when the material list was done. Same with like here, I've got 6 foot joists, but they're red. You take them out of a 12, you cut them in half. That's what this means. So anyway, any questions, comments, or complaints, if you might have those, I have an email box set up for this service. It's cadinfo at mbgcolorado.com, and you can email me with questions or anything you need to know. If you want to know something before you order this, you need me to answer your question, be happy to let you know, whatever you need to know. And I think that's about it. I just wanted to introduce you to the new service, let you know how to use the ordering page and what to do when you've got that. And hopefully I hear from you and get to do some of these things for you guys. Thank you.